So you know fractions? Let's have some fun. Hello fellow graphical user interfaces and welcome to another video. Today we're gonna look at fractions and make them intuitive. Rule 1. Arithmetics with fractions. I'm gonna start with multiplication. It's easy. Look, we have a oh, I'm already done. That's how easy it is. Suppose an area. Now it's in thirds. This is 2/3. Now it's in quarters horizontally. This is 3/4. Now let's multiply them. So like this, we have quarters horizontally and thirds vertically. And if we have length times length, we get an area. In this case, that area has height 2/3 and width 3/4. Now suppose the general case, an area divided into B and D parts, horizontally and vertically. Of those B parts, we color in exactly A parts, and of the D parts, we color in exactly C parts. This results in this cross-sectional area of A over B times C over D. So for multiplication, we just combine the fractions and multiply top and bottom. What about division? Well, you see, division is just inverted multiplication. So if you, for instance, multiply by 3 and then divide by 3, you always get the starting number back. So how do we divide fractions? We invert them. No, not like this. Like this! What about addition? If you have the same denominator, it's easy, like this. But if you don't, you first have to make the denominators the same, which you do by expanding both fractions by the just right amount. After, you can add them like this. Top left times down right plus top right times down left, all divided by down times down. Subtraction is basically the same, only that you subtract instead of add. So why do we add like this? If you want to add a third plus a quarter, we just take the area again and divide it into 3 and 4 parts horizontally and vertically. This is a third, which corresponds to 4/12, and now I added a fourth, which corresponds to 3/12. In this way, we have overlay, so we have to move a square. Rule 2. Double fractions. So there are multiple types of double fractions. This one is just multiplication, this one is division, and this one is division 2. Rule 3. Other stuff. You can take apart fractions like this, but not like this. You can take any number and convert it into a fraction by dividing it by 1. You can also take a fraction of the time I used to make this video by time management and setting priorities. I'm sorry I did a bit late, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.